here in the middle of June 2022, and this disused horticultural site has seen a lot of initial clearing work done, with a skip load of rubbish removed. Lots of brambles and nettles and other unwanted plants chopped back. Jerusalem artichoke that we're already growing here has sprouted well. Comfrey is doing well. Here, this small cleared area of ground has been used as a temporary home for these perennials that were overgrown by grass and other plants. The animal housing has been tidied up to some extent. A good portion of the outside area is covered in black plastic to force the wild plants underneath to grow with no light and burn themselves out. I've been told that after 6 weeks the plastic can be removed and another generation of weeds will start to grow, and once these are covered for another 6 weeks, the ground should be in a much better position then to prepare for planting. A small area that was cleared initially of weeds has been planted with a test crop of potatoes and also beetroot. And just last week, some purple sprouting broccoli. Some saddle leaves have grown from self-seeding from previous crops grown here. And initial issue that has emerged with the young veg planted here is some amount of slug damage, and also some birds pulling up young plants to probably find worms in the root ball. The willow that was already planted here is growing well, and has been thinned out to some extent to get some poles for plant supports and other uses. The polytunnel has been cleared of weeds and an irrigation system installed. And healthy crops are already grown, but some of them is already mature when they were planted. Strawberries are fruiting. Lettuces are also cropping. Tomatoes and peppers are flowering. Also here beans are flowering. Peas have pods, and courgette starting to produce fruit. And even corn is starting to flower. Also 2 beehives have been introduced, and some raspberries that were already growing here and are starting to fruit have been revealed. While there remains to be considerable amount to do. And the final plan still needs to be prepared for the area.